my new toy for my office and my business, venturing out to a multi-needle Brother PR670E. This is a 6 needle, and we got it in a couple days ago. Got the stand going. So here is the stand. My son and I put it together. It was really simple. I'll link a video I found, and for those who are getting a Brother 670 or a newer Brother version, maybe the 10 needle, I believe it comes with the same stand maybe. But I'll link the video where I found on YouTube. I'm sorry about the lighting. This is the best lighting I have. We're putting a new ceiling fan up, and the lighting kit's not working, so we're having someone look at that. But here is the stand, which turned out really good. I mean, it's very, very sturdy. I love it. I'm going to give a shout out of the company that I did buy this Brother from. It came with the stand and a hat hoop station, the whole hat hoop kit, and it also came with the fast frames. What? Yeah, it was a really good deal. I think it was a really good deal. We did some financing, so it was like a little over $10,000 for the total. So if anybody wants to know how much that's going to be, that's how much it was for the 6 needle, the Brother machine I have, and the stand, fast frames, the hoop kit, and everything. So that was a really good deal. And this is also my new room, and I'll do a video on that too. That since I moved downstairs, so much better for me. So doing good, doing good.
Pick up the pieces.
You're not going to.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we took the box off, and this is what you'll see on the when you open it up. All your regular hoops, frames, and your dividers are in here. And you've got a box of toolkit for your oiling of your machine, your cords, things like that. All these can fit underneath the stand, which I'm loving that how big this frame is. Look at this sucker. This is huge. Loving it. It's gonna be great for back of jackets, large bags, things like that. That's gonna be awesome. I can't wait to expand the size of stuff that I have. And this is the fast frame, or the frame piece that goes on the machine when you use these frames. So this just comes off as like a little island piece. Oh, and here's some more stuff. Don't know what that is, but I will read the directions. I'm a directions person. So my P800 used a sticky. My P800 used a 5x7 hoop. This one right here. Now this machine comes with this size. Look at that. Whoa! Look how much bigger that is. So yeah, it's gonna be awesome to be able to do so much more bigger size things. So much more options for me, which is super, super great. And comes with, of course, the grids. And this is the thing that you would attach to the actual machine to slide these hoops in. But I also have the fast frame, which I'm new to the fast frame because I've not used one before. I've not had a multi-needle before. And from what I can tell, all the videos I've watched, especially, you know, Angela, Jasmina's videos, oh my gosh, she's very helpful. This fast frame is awesome. You don't really have to take your material and hoop it. You can just put some sticky back stabilizer on these and just lay your product on there with the embroidery side up, and it lets the back side, let's just say if it's a shirt, you put your you put the frame inside the shirt with the sticky back, lay it down on there, let it stick, the top part stick where it's going to be embroidered on, and then you slide your frame on the machine, and let your back of your shirt hang down underneath the needle, and you don't have to like babysit it, and make sure that it doesn't get doesn't embroider the back of the shirt. So that's awesome. My first design on my machine took me about, I don't know, probably a good 4 hours to figure it out. Just want to make sure I didn't mess up anything, because I'm using the fast frames, using heat sticky paper, sticky stabilizer on the fast frame, because I learned that from Entrepreneur Mom, watching her videos, and learned how to thread at least first two, or number 2 and through number 3, and I did thread number 1. I'm just not using it. And yeah, here's my first shirt on this machine. I did not place it very well because I really wanted to get a full dinosaur on the design inside the number 3, but I didn't. Oh well. I can still say it says Sora, Stegosaurus, so I think it looks cute. But, and then I learned from another video that I need to change my tension, so didn't do that when I first got the thing unboxed. But hey, still learning. It looks like it's really threading well now. There's no more thread break. There's one thread break, and that's when I noticed I needed to change the tension. So there it is. I'm loving my machine. This is my new machine. The Brother Entrepreneur 6 Plus PR670E. It's 6 needle. Awesome, awesome. There it is.